Welcome back, everybody. This is Excel video 468, and I'm Nate Moore. I hope you enjoyed your 4th of July weekend. I spent some of mine working on content for MGMA's 2015 annual conference in Nashville this fall. If you haven't signed up for that conference, do it today and watch for the Monday afternoon data dive session. It's an extended hour and 45 minutes, and it's on business intelligence. I'm working on some really clever things that I think you'll be very interested in. So come join us in Nashville this fall. I want to talk more about charts, but I want to use an Excel feature called tables to do it. We've talked about several different ways to add and modify the data that's in your chart. If you set your data up as a table, charting is even easier. And I'm talking about charts in this series, not tables. So if you haven't seen tables, be sure and watch the tables playlists on my website. But if you format this data as a table, and let's just for fun do it quick. I'm just going to click any place inside the table, and I'm going to go to the Insert menu. And we could do a column chart, or we can do, let's do a line chart like we had before. My point is that I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to select all the data or go through a bunch of hoops. All I did was click one cell. Excel recognized, hey, this data is in a table. Let me help you. And it did, the column chart for me, the line chart for me, whatever I want to do, because Excel sees a table as a discrete group of data. It gets better than that. I've got data from January to December 2015. If I say, hey, 1/1/2016, I want to add data. Let's say we had a good month, 4/8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. Notice how as soon as I start adding data, Excel recognizes that the data is coming from a table. The table just got a little bit bigger, and so it automatically extended my table for me without me having to do anything. I didn't have to come over here and click and drag. I didn't have to go to the design menu and select data. It just happened for me. And what works for rows works for columns. If I came over here and did refunds, now I've already got refunds in here. Let's do a January refund of, it's going to have to be bigger. We're never going to see it on the chart, so we'll just make a big enough number there. And the problem is that's not, let's see if we go 4500, that's too many. Now you can start to see it building its way along in the refunds area with that legend along the chart. The point is, if you've got data that you can format as a table before you chart it, it just makes the chart that much easier, because as you add more months as your data extends, or hey, I need to track refunds, or oh, I want to track work RVUs, or whatever else you want to track, it's simply a matter of adding more columns or more rows to your chart. Excel gets it and your chart keeps going. It's a great way to manage chart data. I've got more ideas and things to talk about as we look at how to add, modify, and work with the data in your chart, and we'll do it in the next Excel video. Thanks for watching.